Well, I have finally come to one of the phases of making these rocking animals that is so much fun. I'm doing somewhat of the last assembly process right now. I've already secured the front stabilizing, what I would call slat, or just basically a safe stabilizer. I've already put in the back stabilizer, leaving it in a swivel capability so that when I actually mount the dolphin, I'll be able to maneuver it properly. What I'm going to do now is lock in the safety slats that keep the child's feet from being crushed in the rocking process. I have to do this nice and easy so that the driver bit does not slip. It's a delicate process, but it's worth the patience it takes to secure them. I sent some photographs of some of the projects that I've been doing to my daughter this morning, and she was just so happy and so encouraging. And I sent a follow-up text saying that this is just like being in the soapbox derby all over again, which is so much fun. Matter of fact, I told her it was like paradise, and it literally is. So now that I've secured the safety slats, I can go ahead and actually mount the dolphin on the rocker base. I will pick the dolphin up, put the back parts in the slots back here. Then I have to carefully guide the fin stabilizing screws in the holes that are in the front stabilizing bar. There we go. That's in. Now I can secure the tail. Well, first of all, though, I'm going to need to drill a hole, a starter hole, so I can secure the back spacer. And the drill bit is over here. I'll just install the drill bit. It won't take too long to do this. And now I'll just drill a bit of a pilot hole so that the screw won't have such a tough time shooting. So on the other side, do the same thing. Now I can insert extra long screws, but first I'll have to change the bit out and put the driver in. Doesn't take too long to do this. Okay, driver's almost secure. It is secure now. Okay, now I can lock the tail on with these two screws. Carefully. Alright, that's done. Now I can turn the dolphin on its side so that I can lock the dolphin to the base. Well, this is the fun part. I can turn it over and say that it is completed. All right, all right. What do you think?
Looks beautiful.
Oh, wow. So, yep, it'll be able to bring joy to children and families
For generations to come.
for generations to come.